I love these so much. I need like a plate, a napkin. Hey Griddle Nation, it's Blackstone Betty. Today I stole Sean, the camera guy, from one of our other shows with Jeremy Puglisi. You guys all know him, Camp Griddlemore. Sean, today I'm cooking for you some Greek lamb smashed tacos. These have a little Greek salad on them. The famous Trader Joe's garlic spread dip. Have you had it yet, Sean?
I have it.
You're gonna love it. Let's show Griddle Nation how to make these at home. We'll start this recipe off with 1 pound of ground lamb. You can also switch it out to ground chicken or turkey if you'd like. To our ground lamb, we'll add 1 egg per pound, 1/4 cup of seasoned or plain breadcrumbs. It really doesn't matter. We'll grab 2 fresh garlic cloves, grate them into our mixture. Then we'll add the zest of 1 lemon just to brighten this up, along with a handful of feta cheese. Buy a block and crumble it yourself. It'll melt so much better. Now for our fresh herbs, or herbs. Is it herbs or herbs?
Herbs.
I always say herb, like the man. Then for our fresh herbs, we've got some flat leaf parsley. You want to use flat leaf over curly parsley for flavor. We've got fresh mint, which is so delicious with lamb. Even if you're using turkey or chicken, make sure you don't skip out on the fresh mint, along with some fresh dill. Then we'll grab our purple onion, give this a really fine chop, save the rest of this purple onion for our Greek salad that we're going to get to in just a minute. Season this with some black pepper, some salt. Usually I would mix this by hand if I was not putting myself out there on YouTube so that you guys would yell at me for using my bare hands while having a guest here. So we'll mix this up with our little spatula. Then we're going to set this aside, let it hang out and really marinate for a few minutes while we get to that Greek salad. Into a mixing bowl, I'm going to chop up some cucumber. I like to peel it every other strip. This just adds a little bit of color and fun to my salad. Now for some grape tomatoes. Use cherry tomatoes, use any tomatoes you want. Chop them up, get them bite-sized into the party bowl, along with more of that purple onion. Do you call this a purple or red? Guys, Griddle Nation, what do you call this? Purple or red? I call it purple, and that will always be a debate between me and the guys. So, Sean, if we're gonna stay friends,
definitely purple.
there we go. Then to this, we're going to add some of our feta cheese. Got our parsley, our mint, our dill. Everything goes in here with a little bit of, do you know about the Maldon sea salt? I don't know if you've seen this, Sean. This is the Maldon flaky sea salt. Look at these little crystals. Look at them. Look at this one. I'm about to put this on the tomatoes. And look at this. Look at this. Huge. Now, we don't want that on our food. I mean, that would probably be good on a steak. That's gigantic. Sometimes you find those little gems. But this is the best finishing salt that you're ever going to find. You've got to try it. You can get it on Amazon or in your local grocery store. Look for it. It's so good. We'll also add some garlic sea salt to this, along with a hefty drizzle of our olive oil. You want to go for extra virgin olive oil when it comes to any kind of salad dressing. We'll give this a mix, and this is done. This slides aside so we can get back to our meat mixture and getting these tacos cooked up. Such a fast dinner. We've got flour tortillas. I like to use a little scooper. This way every single taco has the same amount of meat on them. We scoop out this onto our taco shell, which I know sounds a little bit crazy at home if you haven't seen the smash taco trend all over Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. People are spreading meat right on these shells, which is perfectly fine because they're gonna cook so fast on our Blackstone. One thing I really love is if you are having a party or people over and you want to make any kind of smash taco, you can get these all assembled and ready for cooking. Just stick them in your fridge. We'll get our Blackstone set to medium heat. Before any cook, I like to go over the top with some water to steam clean my surface, just in case there's anything left behind or if anything gross got up on there. And then a drizzle of oil, spread that around, and we're ready to cook. Our tacos go meat side down onto that hot surface. With our spatula, we're going to give them a nice press so that that meat really kisses that griddle and gets that beautiful char. Look how juicy these are. The lamb really is what makes this. Although you can do it with chicken or turkey, the lamb is the juiciest. But the star of the show, honestly, is this Trader Joe's garlic spread dip. I see it all over TikTok, so I took the ride out to Trader Joe's, and you guys know I love garlic, and a lot of it. Sean, I can't open this. Can you open it for me? Thank you. You've got, oh my God, can you smell it the second you open it up?
So good.
Do you like garlic?
I love garlic.
Okay, so I'm going to go a little heavy on this. It is just... I can't stop eating it, and I cannot wait to go back. If you don't have a Trader Joe's, I don't know what to tell you, because you need this in your life. This would really amp up the flavor, too, if you were using turkey or chicken instead of the lamb. Next, some tzatziki sauce, which I totally was lazy and bought that at the store. You can make your own if you'd like. And last but not least, this salad, a scoop of this on each. Literally cannot wait for you to taste this. This is another thing that I have multiple times during the week. This was my dinner last night. It will be my dinner tonight. And the best part, all of this leftover meat that we made, the mixture, if you don't want to have smashed tacos, you could form them into lamb burgers. Top it with this. Either way, you get like a really big, juicy lamb burger. Okay, are you ready for this? I cannot wait for Griddle Nation to try these at home. When you do, make sure that you take a picture, post it, send me a message. I cannot wait to see, but tag us at Blackstone Products so we don't miss it. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next family style video. Oh God, I'm obsessed with these. I can't eat enough of them. I swear. It's so good.